Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be having an overview of the cut in and cut out feature located in TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. So now, just so you guys know, this is going to be a mini series on the cut in and cut out feature, and I will also be leaving relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, when it comes to the cut in and cut out feature, this is very similar to the lead in and lead out that you normally get in your CNC machining. So it's the same concept, it's just over here it's called cut in and cut out. Now, by default, if you import or create a curve or path, it will not have these settings, cut in and cut out, and for most shapes you don't really need it. So by default it is not there, but we can activate it if we wanted to. Now, just a basic concept or basic overview of what it is. So a cut in is pretty much the angle with which the cut comes in with, and then the cut out is the angle it comes out. So if you just start on a hard edge and start cutting, you might get a bit of a defect by the starting area. And then if you also have just the cut in from the top down, then you could also distort it a bit. So what happens is they try to make it a bit more smoother so you can get a smooth overall finish. Now obviously you can depending on the shape, if you're trying to cut this out, then it will be on the outside, or if you're trying to cut a hole in something, you might start on the inside and start your cut in and then your cut out to have a smoother finish. Now yeah, in general with laser cutting it's not really necessary, but you know, there is times when perhaps you want to add it. And yeah, that's pretty much an overview of the cut in and cut out feature. Like I mentioned, by default it is not active, but you can activate it for certain shapes and that if you wanted to have it. But otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, see the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.